So let's move to the fourth question. How to motivate children for studies and stay positive?
Okay. Studies means, again, very important. Study, do you mean by reading and writing? Is my question. Two, studies means reading their content, reading storybooks. Because studies means what? Are you wanting only syllabus based studies? Then it is important that you need to set a routine. That half an hour with some questions at the end, and saying that I'm giving you these questions, I want the answers to these questions. Now studies, the fact that they are saying studies, I'm considering that these children are older enough, and staying positive about the study. पूरा दिन अगर आप उनके पीछे पढ़ोगे कि पढ़ो पढ़ो पढ़ो, तो it's going to be a very boring thing. But if they know that this is the time, like I remember our parents would actually ask us to, when we would come back from school, खाना वाना खा के हम लोग सोते थे, उठने के बाद थोड़ी देर होमवर्क करते थे, फिर अच्छा 1 डेढ़ 2 घंटा हम लोग जाके खेलते थे, वापस आने के बाद मंदिर में पूजा करके, हाथ पैर धो के मंदिर में पूजा करके, फिर हम लोग बैठ के टेबल्स रिसाइट करते थे, एंड द रिमेनिंग कुछ रह गया हो, नहीं रह गया हो, तो 5 लाइन्स ऑफ इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी लिख के निकालते थे बुक में. ये हमारा पैटर्न होता था, रूटीन होता था. ओके, एंड देन ओनली वी वुड गेट आवर डिनर टाइम से पहले ये सारी चीजें हो जानी चाहिए. सो देर इज टू बी अ पैटर्न, देर इज टू बी अ रूटीन. सो इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू सेट दैट रूटीन, रादर देन जस्ट से जाओ ना पढ़ो, अंदर जाके बैठ के पढ़ो. यू डोंट नो व्हाट द चाइल्ड इज डूइंग अंदर जाके पढ़ने के लिए. सो व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट इज, एट द एंड ऑफ इट, इफ यू हैव गिवन देम 4 क्वेश्चंस, आर यू टेकिंग दोस क्वेश्चंस? बिकॉज क्या हो जाता है, अगर आप फॉलो अप नहीं लेते हो, तो बच्चे को मालूम है आज क्वेश्चन दे दिए हैं, उसका कुछ होने तो वाला नहीं है. Or you're doing a surprise test, कि okay, today I'm going to take a surprise test at this point in time. So there has to be a time for studies, and that time has to be consistent. Dear parents, I will have a big request to make. Probably in our days, we did not have so many serials on the televisions. We did not have so much of open media availability, एंड जिसकी वजह से बहुत सारी चीज़ें रूटीन में होती थी. बट दोज पेरेंट्स हु हैव चिल्ड्रन, उनको अपना रूटीन बनाना पड़ेगा. Very many times you will have to give up on your serials, you may have to give up on your because जिनको शाम को खाना अलग से बनाना है, उनका किचन में टाइम काफी देर चला जाता है. So if you know that you are going to be sitting in the kitchen, ask the child to sit on the dining table so that you have one eye on him, and you're giving him work, and say, okay, read it loudly, I am listening to it. And in between just peep in and see कि बराबर से हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. And that will help, because the child also knows इसके beyond अभी मेरे कुछ नहीं चलने वाला है. This is what it is, and these 2 hours when the mummy is in the kitchen, she's going to allow me to be here. It's important. As I said, it's not only one person's role, it is a role of the entire family to rear a child. Only one person will not be able to do it. It will be a collective work by the parents together.
यस मैम, आई थिंक ये जो पेरेंट्स हर बात में पूछ रहे हैं ना कि बच्चे का क्या करे, बच्चे को कैसे हैंडल करे, तो मुझे लगता है कि इट इज अगेन इंट्रोस्पेक्टिंग योर ओन सेल्फ कि हम कहाँ पर
Absolutely.
गड़बड़ कर रहे हैं.
कर
नो,
रहे हैं, सही
तो
बात है. क्योंकि
हाँ.
एक सी द फैक्ट दैट, सी नाउ टुडे यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ मोटिवेटिंग अ चाइल्ड टू स्टडी, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी ओवरनाइट. ये मोटिवेशन अचानक ओवरनाइट नहीं आने वाला है. इट हैज टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग. बट ठीक है, अब जब नहीं हुआ है, तो आर यू मेकिंग सम चेंज? डिस्कस विद द चाइल्ड. आई हैव बीन टेलिंग यू एवरी डे, सुबह से शाम तक मैं बोलती रहती हूँ. ओके, यू डिसाइड व्हाट इज द टाइम दैट यू वांट टू स्टडी. पुट इट ऑन द चाइल्ड. You tell me, you have to give me 2 hours in the day, when are you going to study? And we'll make a timetable and see that that time is given. Okay, you've given me this time, it's almost 5 minutes to that, I want it. शायद वो अपने लिए क्लॉक बनाना पड़ेगा as parents को, so that they can get things done for the children.
Yes, definitely, ma'am. So we have the next question, and that is how to stop kids from watching too much TV. I think majority of the parents have this issue. So yes, ma'am.
टीवी का कनेक्शन निकाल दो, रिमोट निकाल दो. मेरा सोल्यूशन यही होगा, कनेक्शन ही बंद कर दो 1 महीने के लिए. The problem here is not only children. The problem here is parents also. अब यही देखो ना आप, जो केस चल रहा है अभी टेलीविजन पे, कितने पेरेंट्स मिस कर रहे हैं. दे आर ऑल वांटिंग टू सी एवरीथिंग, एंड वो रात को 11 बजे तक चिल्लम चिल्ली चलती रहती है. सो इफ द चाइल्ड सीज दिस, द चाइल्ड इज बाउंड टू से दैट ओके, अगर रात भर देखते हैं तो मेरे को तो दिन में देखने का अलाउड है ना. फुल डे आई विल सिट एंड वॉच, बिकॉज Okay, one important thing is I will absolutely be against the statement of how to stop kids from watching too much TV. Stop मतलब आप बिल्कुल ही the end कर रहे हो. नहीं. There is a time for everything. So give the child his time. Tell him what you want to watch. I will only give you that. Decide 2 serials today or decide a time. तुमको मालूम है तुम्हारे कौन से सीरियल्स आते हैं किस टाइम पे, उसके रिपीट भी बच्चे देखते रहते हैं. Huh? So why do we want to give that? So tell them which is the time that you want. I will not disturb you, and see that you are not disturbing the child at that point in time. So what happens is the child knows, it's also a respect that I am allowed to see this. पहले डिफिकल्टी होगी, बट आपको एक रूटीन बिठाने के लिए, और देखिए ये कोई मैजिक वॉन्ड नहीं है कि आबरा का डाबरा गिली गिली छू और उसने बंद कर दिया टीवी देखना. ऐसा नहीं होने वाला है. वो प्रैक्टिस अपने को एज अ पेरेंट करनी पड़ेगी ऑन अ कांस्टेंट बेसिस. ठीक है, अगर किसी दिन बच्चे ने पढ़ाई बराबर से किया, यू कैन ऑलवेज गिव हिम एन एज एन एसेट कि ओके आई विल गिव यू हाफ एन आवर टुडे एक्स्ट्रा टू वॉच द मूवी और योर सीरियल और वॉट एवर योर टीवी, which will be an incentive for the child. So it should be looked at as an incentive, not कि तुम टीवी देख रहे हो ना तो टीवी देखने के बाद पढ़ाई करना. हाँ, वो कभी नहीं करेगा. वो इंसेंटिव उल्टा होना चाहिए. But what is happening is many of the parents don't want to take out that time and put it or pitch it to. रख दो ना 2 दिन रिमोट निकाल के उनके हाथ से, गायब कर दो रिमोट 2 दिन के लिए. क्या होगा? एंगर होगा, चिड़म चिल्ली होगी, टेम्पर टैंट्रम्स होंगे, होने दो. तो 2 दिन के बाद बच्चे को पता चलेगा नहीं देने वाली है मम्मी, निकाल दिया है. क्यों? अपना टीवी खराब हो जाता है, हम पहली चीज करते हैं मैकेनिक को फोन करके टीवी ठीक करके जाओ ना. लाइफलाइन बन गई है हमारी. ब्रीदिंग एयर नहीं हो चलेगा पर टीवी होना जरूरी है. दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव मेड इट. इट इज अस हु हैज टू मेक इट हैपन फॉर देम.
True. And ma'am, I also feel that children watch too much of TV because they don't have much options, how creatively they can keep themselves busy.
Muskan, options are all about all in our minds.
Yes, so
let me
parents have to provide those options
no,
to
and I'll
children.
give you some options right now because parents का concern क्या होता है कि हम उनको नहीं टीवी देखेंगे तो वो क्या करेंगे पूरा दिन घर पे बैठ के. नहीं. Very important is who arranges their cupboards? It's parents. Who arranges their books? It's parents. Who covers their books? Parents. Who does the winding up of the table after lunch dinner? Who sets the table? It's parents. Why are we not involving children in these kind of activities? This is घर का काम ना. ऐसा किसने बोला है कि boy and girl has separate things to do? Definitely the boy can help you in kitchen also, in sorting out the vegetables, maybe laying the table, cleaning the table. उतना help parent को नहीं हो जाएगा. The fact is that the parents don't know what to involve them in.
Yes.
And that's why वो बच्चे टेलीविजन पे चिपके रहते हैं. यहाँ तक कि मम्मियां लाके खाना भी उनके टीवी के सामने दे देती हैं and then they say बच्चा टीवी छोड़ता ही नहीं है.
Agreed.
So that's the mistake of us as parents rather than the children. Children are very smart. They are going to catch on to the best thing that is possible for them. Why will they give up on it?
Sure, ma'am. I'm very sure that parents will really now look for activities where they can creatively involve their children, as well as they can get help also and make their children more responsible.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And नहीं है ना उनके पास खेलने के लिए सामान. न्यूज़पेपर ले लो, ओल्ड पेपर्स ले लो, ओल्ड मैगजीन ले लो, उसके पेपर्स निकालो, उसको क्रम्पल करो, एक बास्केट रखो, उसमें गेम करो अपना घर पे. नहीं जाना है ना बाहर, नहीं करो. Why do you have to watch TV? Watching TV say you are actually creating more problem. There is something called as a fluid in your brain which is getting disrupted, जिसकी वजह से बच्चे अग्रेसिव हो रहे हैं, attention span कम हो रहा है बच्चों का, and that's what is happening. And this pandemic has even added it more to the whole scenario, because कुछ नहीं करना है तो बच्चों को टीवी दिखाओ 24/7. So, and believe me, YouTubes have such wonderful ideas for doing things at home. जरूरी नहीं है हर चीज को पेरेंट ने ही हाथ में लेना चाहिए. कुछ चीजें बच्चों को करने दो. ठीक है, 2 बार गलती करेंगे, 3 बार गलती करेंगे. So what? So it's important to do those things. वैसे ही ऑनलाइन टीचिंग होके already some span of time is going on screen time. सो उसमें और ऐड करने की जरूरत नहीं है. हाँ, दो टीवी वॉचिंग जरूरी है, चाइल्ड्स ओन चॉइस ऑफ टीवी वॉचिंग शुड बी देयर, बट एक लिमिट रखो, इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. Don't stop it completely. That's not right. It's not fair also on the part of the children.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. And let's move to the next question. What I can do for making her learn in best possible way in such pandemic conditions at home?
Okay. It will all depend on what you want them to learn. So if you want them to learn life skills मतलब मेरे को आज मैंने अपना टॉवल निकाल के बेड पे रख दिया, even if I have to go and keep it in the washing bag or maybe washing machine, वो एक सिंपल काम हो सकता है. बटनिंग माई सेल्फ, लेसिंग माई सेल्फ, वेयरिंग माई शूज, वेयरिंग माई सॉक्स. ठीक है ना, कहीं नहीं जाना है, पर एक पैटर्न तो हो सकता है कि व्हेन आई एम डूइंग ऑल दिस, when I'm helping the child do these activities, I'm helping the child with life skills. I'm helping the child take her own plate to the table. I'm helping my child serve her food. I'm helping my child eat her food rather than मैं खिला रही हूँ उसको. Okay. Yes, if there is spilling of water, okay, simple activities like आपका I'll just share few of them, maybe that will help you. Simple activities like अपना स्पंज होता है ना घर में, अगर हो स्पंज तो ओके, एक दो bowls में दे दो पानी, and the child has to put that sponge in one and put the water. These are all fine motor skills that you are teaching the children. Take pegs, जो आप कपड़े सुखाने के pegs होते हैं ना, उससे आप छोटे crumple balls बनाओ, वो उसमें से counting करवाओ बच्चों को. We are talking about learning, no? We're talking about learning. So these could be simple ways that you're doing learning. You can also do something like this. You take a small little card or small little paper, इस पे एक number लिखो, 6 number लिखा है, and put those many pegs around it. 6 pegs, 4 pegs. So you're doing counting. The child is doing. Dropper होता है अपने पास, जो आई ड्रॉपर या कोई भी मेडिसिन का ड्रॉपर से आप कलर्स मिक्स करने के लिए बोलो, एंड लेट देम डू सम ड्राइंग, पेंटिंग, कलरिंग. These are different ways that you can do. अगर आपके पास कलर्स नहीं भी हैं in this situation, अगर नहीं कलर्स बाय कर सकते हैं, नई शॉप्स खुली हैं, हल्दी है घर पे, उससे कलर बना लो. नील है घर पे, उससे कलर बना लो. बीटरूट अगर है तो बीटरूट से कलर बना लो. You don't need to go and buy things from outside. What is important is whatever is available in your vicinity, use those things for doing it. I will, if you allow me, Muskan, I will share one simple activity which is going to add a lot of concentration, because what I see is a lot of concentration related activities are what parents are asking for, जहाँ पे उनका concentration add हो सकता है. So can you give me 1 minute just to share
Sure,
one
ma'am.
screen?
Sure.
Because that will help the parents see that what it means by doing this kind of an activity. Just give me a minute. Maybe you want to I'll just share the screen, otherwise just
Yeah,
give me
so
a
basically
minute.
what I feel, ma'am, कि पेंडेमिक है, अग्रीड, बट उसको एज अ प्रॉब्लम देखने के बजाय
नहीं
उसको एक
जरूरत
ऐसी
है.
अपॉर्चुनिटी देके कि इस टाइम पे हम कितने सारे और स्किल्स उनको सिखा सकते हैं, कितना कुछ
Absolutely.
नया हम करवा सकते हैं जो अदरवाइज शायद ना करवा पाते. तो आई थिंक
Very
इट विल
much.
बी मोर फन, मोर लर्निंग, एंड चिल्ड्रन विल एंजॉय एंड पेरेंट्स विल आल्सो फील गुड दैट दे आर लर्निंग so many
Absolutely,
new things.
absolutely.
It's
I'm
all
in
about the attitude.
total agreement with you, and I want to show you few images here so that you can get an idea. Maybe parents can use it at home. जरूरी नहीं है, इन चीजों के लिए कोई भी जरूरत नहीं है कि हमको कोई भी बहुत एक्सपेंसिव मटेरियल बाय करने पड़ रहे हैं या ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So I'm just sharing a few. I'm just waiting for the PowerPoint to open so that I can show you those images. Maybe because once they see it, parents may be able to figure out कि अच्छा ये चीजें हम कर सकते हैं. These are possibilities.
And I
And ये
always
छोटे छोटे
feel that हम पेरेंट्स को होता है कि ये महंगा टॉय ले दिया, ये ब्रांडेड स्टफ दिया, चिल्ड्रन आर लिस्ट बॉदर्ड,
absolutely
बल्कि
absolutely
उनकी अटैचमेंट टूटे फूटे टॉयज के साथ ज्यादा होती है.
ज्यादा होती है.
और
सही
घर
बात
की
है.
छोटी मोटी चीजें उठाकर दे मेक देयर ओन टॉयज एंड दे लव दैट एंड दे प्ले विद
Absolutely.
दैट.
Some of these images, Muskan, I hope you are able to see the screen.
Yes ma'am, yes
Yeah.
I can.
So simple चीजें जैसे चना है ना, जिसका ऊपर का कवर निकाला हुआ है. Okay, that's an activity. and the child will take some time to do this. Sieving है, simple sieving activities देना. Pounding है, groundnut है या कुछ और है, उसको pounding देना. This is a concentration activity that I was talking about. आप देखो ये bottle है, simple bottle है, 2 बर्तन है, एक में पानी है, एक में नहीं है, और bottle में भी पानी नहीं है, but there is a red line that you can see here if you can see it on the screen. And the child has been given a container. One person is given a funnel, one is not given a funnel. So what the child is doing is he's pouring it till that red line. So वो क्या हो रहा है कि वो बच्चा concentration के साथ उतने तक, और उसको करने के लिए, वो चीज करने के लिए टाइम लगता है. He is not going to over एकदम अचानक नहीं कर लेगा, but he will enjoy this activity because all children like water play. All children like these kind of independent activities. ये आपके पतीले हैं जो घर में यूज हो रहे हैं, आपको बाहर से कुछ भी लाने की जरूरत नहीं है, पानी घर में अवेलेबल है. एंड वाटर, एक बिस्लरी की बॉटल या नॉर्मल बॉटल भी आप ले लेंगे तो उसमें कोई बहुत बड़ी चीज नहीं हो जाने वाली है. दिस इज व्हाट आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट, स्क्वीजिंग वाटर फ्रॉम वन बकेट टू द अदर. सो हियर द चाइल्ड इज आल्सो लर्निंग अबाउट एब्जॉर्प्शन, अबाउट स्क्वीजिंग. इट्स आल्सो फाइन मोटर स्किल्स व्हिच आर बीइंग डेवलप्ड. ये सॉर्टिंग एक्टिविटीज हैं. The parent was asking ना कि what kind of activities I can do. These could be different things. अगर बच्चा आपका बड़ा है and smaller grains दे सकते हैं तो दीजिए, but see that you are around the child when the child is using it, so that there is no missing out of these things. Various touches आप, जैसे अलग अलग कपड़े आपके घर पे हैं, कोई स्मूथ है, कोई सॉफ्ट है, कोई वेलवेटी है, इसके करेक्ट नेम्स बच्चों को बताइए. दिस इज ब्लाइंड फोल्डिंग एंड हेल्पिंग द चाइल्ड आइडेंटिफाई टू सिमिलर ऑब्जेक्ट्स. सो ये सिमिलर ऑब्जेक्ट्स की एक एक्टिविटी है. आई विल शो यू फ्यू मोर. आपके पास बहुत सारे बर्तन होंगे जिसके ढक्कन होते हैं. सो आज द चाइल्ड टू पुट द लिड्स टू द, दिस इज अनदर सीक्वेंसिंग एक्टिविटी. सबसे बड़ा कौन सा, सबसे छोटा कौन सा. दीज आर डिफरेंट थिंग्स यू आर डूइंग with the child and giving it to the child. These are different activities which you are helping the child. सॉर्टिंग एक्टिविटीज, उसी के टॉयज हैं, अलग अलग कार्स को अलग अलग, और अलग अलग डॉल्स हैं उसको अलग अलग कलर्स में सॉर्ट करने के लिए. दिस इज अनदर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. फ्लोर पे आप कोई भी पिक्चर बना दीजिए, और बॉटल कैप्स हैं, होम्योपैथी के बॉटल्स हैं आपके पास, या अगर आपके पास नॉर्मल कोक की बॉटल्स के कैप्स हैं, या नहीं है तो पिस्ता शेल्स हैं, उससे आप उनको ज्वाइनिंग द डॉट्स, तो पेपर पे करने की जरूरत नहीं है, एंड यू कैन कीप चेंजिंग द इमेज एज एंड व्हेन यू वांट. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द वेरी ब्यूटीफुल ways of looking at activities. You can give odd one out, images बना के या pictures बना के odd one out दे सकते हैं. Different kind of keys के outlines बनाए हैं. Now what happens is this helps the children with all kinds of alphabets जो गड़बड़ करते हैं, B, D, G, Y, इन चीजों का जो गड़बड़ का मायने नहीं रखी है, and let the child do it. What goes with what? Now, these are things that you can get it at home. कैलेंडर से पिक्चर टॉक या पजल्स बना सकते हैं. ये चीजें हैं, जैसे आपने स्त्रीलिंग पुल्लिंग जो हम बोलते हैं ना, उस तरह का है ये. तो which what sentence requires ती, what sentence requires तो, या वो है ना, वो थी, वो था, जब हम बोलते हैं इस तरह के एक्टिविटीज करवाने से बच्चे खुद ही बहुत इंटरेस्ट लेके एंजॉय करेंगे. So that's what I feel is important to help the parents understand that हर चीज को आपको बाहर जाके नई चीज लाने की जरूरत नहीं है. We can definitely do things very much at home and make them learn. I'm sure the parents will get many more ideas from what I've shared, and they'll be able to do things at home also.
हाँ, मुझे लगता है जैसे वो एक दिमाग खुलने वाली एक एक्टिविटी होती है ना, वो अब वो हो चुका है, and they will now start planning different activities for their kiddos.
Definitely.
Yeah, let's move to the next question.
Yes.
And that is, my child hesitates while talking. Sometimes he wants to communicate his views, but he can't. How can I help him?
Okay. So it's important to have probing questions. Probing in the sense that जो बच्चा बोल रहा है उसमें, ओके, डू यू वांट टू से दिस, ओके, और क्या बोलना चाहते हो, ऑलराइट, डू यू वांट टू थिंक अबाउट इट एंड से, ओके, टेक योर टाइम एंड से इट. दैट्स व्हाट आई टॉक अबाउट प्रोबिंग मतलब हम उसको मौका दे रहे हैं. मे बी ही इज टेकिंग अ लिटिल टाइम, उसका प्रोसेसिंग ऑफ थिंकिंग हो रहा है, उसको बोलना बहुत कुछ है, बट वो थॉट प्रोसेस एंड स्पीच इसका लिंक होने में थोड़ा कॉम्बिनेशन में, देयरफॉर इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू प्रोब हिम and give them this ability. I'm sure it will help him. Also, one more thing which I will add here is that ask the child to make up stories, because when he makes up stories, he's able to link it, or share stories, tell him stories and ask him to narrate it back. So क्या होता है, एक sequencing हो जाता है जो बच्चे का system में आ जाता है, so that when he's talking and when he's making his own thoughts also, there is a link that he's able to frame. Yeah. आप mute हो मुस्कान. हाँ.
How to deal with hyperactive children?
There are two things now to talk about, especially with regard to hyperactivity. The minute we are labeling the child as hyperactive, I am not in favor of that until unless a doctor or a right person, who has shared that he is an hyperactive child. However, what I want the parent to understand and notice, or find out, or probably consider, is what kind of diet is this parent giving. Because if there is very high level sugar in his diet, the child is bound to be very active. I will not call it hyperactive, I will call him active, because the sugar level actually triggers the brain, and it triggers the brain in such a manner that the child will not be able to sit in one place, will not be able to listen to you, will not be able to follow instruction. This is what happens. And that is what I would say, that you have to consider what kind of sugar level in any form. I'm not saying sugar level only in white sugar in terms of sugar format, but I'm talking about sugar level in any food, any kind of cokes, any kind of drinks, even in his milk. Try reducing the quantity of sugar and you will see a major difference in the child's activity level. Second important point, I mentioned 2 points. Second important point is, what kind of television is this child watching? Because the children tend to imitate something that they watch, they want to become that character. So if the child is watching any kind of such activities on the screen for a longer period of time, or even half an hour or 1 hour, that particular serial needs to be stopped from the child, because he is only replicating, he's only imitating those acts. And that's why you're feeling that he is hyperactive. And if you feel that it's not helping, if these two things, because you'll have to make a major observation over a period of time, at least for 10-12 days, because these things are not going to suddenly come to a drop within a daytime. So at least for 15 days you'll have to make an observation with reducing the sugar level in the diet. And third important thing, sorry, I missed it. Please do not give the child any chocolates, cakes, pastries, ice cream before the sleep time.
Ma'am,
If
what I feel basically, it is like it is not just done that you label your child, but you need to find out what is causing the
causing
child to behave in that
very,
way,
very
so
much,
that
very,
we can work on the root cause rather than the behavior. So once
yeah.
we
So
work on the root cause, then the behavior is taken care of.
very much, Muskan. That's exactly why I said, because if I just talk about root cause, the parents will still not go to the root. And that's why I said, first thing I would want to share is sugar level of the child. What is the sugar level? What is the sugar content that he's taking? How much of chocolates? How much of pastries? How much of, now sugar also goes through carbohydrates. That means the rice, chapati that the child is eating, उसमें से भी sugar जा रहा है, but उसको आप extract नहीं कर सकते हो. जो external sugar आप डाल रहे हो, फिर वो बोनविटा डाल रहे हो, हॉर्लिक्स डाल रहे हो, sugar content डाल रहे हो, वो आपको रिड्यूस, कितना मिठाई दे रहे हो, कितने केक्स दे रहे हो, कितने स्वीट्स दे रहे हो, उस चीज को आपको कर्ब करना पड़ेगा. दैट इज द रूट कॉज ऑफ इट. एंड अगर फिर भी आपको लगता है कि 15 दिन में आपको नहीं सॉल्व हुआ है, तो आई थिंक यू नीड टू मीट द राइट पर्सन, द राइट कंसर्न डॉक्टर और पीडियाट्रिस्ट फॉर दिस सोल्यूशन. बिकॉज बियॉन्ड हो जाएगा तो वो और भी चैलेंजिंग हो जाएगा एज अ पेरेंट आपके लिए.
Absolutely true. So now the next question is, being single parent, how can I help my child to face the reality that her father is not with us, so that I can help her in accepting this reality with ease?
Okay. I understand that sometimes it's a sudden change in the family composition. Okay, maybe due to death or divorce. Uh, with regard to death, if it's an accidental death, then obviously you've not prepared the child well. You can't prepare the child well. It could be any parent. It may be a father or it could be a mother, single parent. Okay. My concern here is that if it has been due to divorce, then the child has already experienced the kind of differences going between the parents. So somewhere the child is already able to relate it, that this is going to happen, or this is going to happen, or this is happening. or the child's attachment with the parent is very different from the parent's attachment with the parent. So these kind of things are going to trouble. But yes, it is important to share with the child about the other parent, not in for whatever reason the parent has been single. I'm not going into the details of that, but it is important to give the good memories of that parent to the child, however negative memories you have had or whatever the sudden reasons would have had. But you have to keep on giving the good memories to the child, and also make this fact, the reality, known to the child, that this parent is not going to be living with us, and if the parent has passed away, then we will not be able to see that parent ever again. These are important things, because this is something which is a reality which the child has to. Another important thing is, this can be also shared through stories to the children. Okay, and the stories could be of animals, because the children get to relate very well with the animals. So you can have the stories of animals where in the story there is a component that this was a mother who was dealing with the children, or she was staying with her. There's a very beautiful story of Peter Rabbit, which is available as a book also online. And the first episode of it is where they've talked about it, that in a house, a mother Peter Rabbit, Mrs. Rabbit, and her four children were staying. And in the first 5 minutes only, she says that don't go to that garden because your father went to that garden and he never returned. That's all that she says. Okay, but the children know that the father doesn't return. So this is something, these kind of stories, when you're sharing, you're not giving any details of it, but you're still giving. And if the child happens to ask where the father is or where the mother is, whichever, it may be single parent as a mother who's asking, because she's saying the father is not living with us. So it could be that it could be a mother also, or it could be a father who's asking. Very important is to give the positive vibes about the father, the positive things about the father, not negative things about the father, which is very important. And letting the child know that this is the reality, you will be staying with me. And if you are allowing the father, or if there is a consensus with the father of going and meeting the father, then that should not be restricted. It should be seen very positively, openly, for the benefit of the child. Even if you don't wish to meet or not meet, that's fine. That is what is important.
Also, ma'am, I feel that this is such a sensitive thing that, the way you are going to handle it, it is going to shape up the personality of the child when he grows
Absolutely.
up.
Absolutely. Not only this, I would also say death in a family also. Sometimes, that also becomes an unexpected thing, especially if the children are very close to grandparents, and death of a grandparent. That also becomes a concern, and that reality needs to be discussed, shared, talked to with the child, which is very, very important. So these are different. As I said, the composition of the family may change, and when it is changing, the child needs to be informed about it. We will come back, we will stay with him after some days. These are lies which should not be initiated.
Definitely, ma'am. So let us move to the next question. My child can't express her feelings and emotions. She opens her heart with the mom only. She always feels hesitated and shy in every activity. She knows everything but doesn't respond to anyone. What should we do?
Okay, I'm glad at least she's opening up with the mother. That's a very positive thing. So when we are saying my child can't express her feelings and emotions, I am negating that. I'm kind of not in agreement, because at one end you're saying she opens her heart with her mom, which means she has her feelings and emotions and she's sharing it. But maybe she finds it comfortable to share only with the mother and not with anybody else, which is fine. But do not force her in the context that you talk to your mother, why don't you talk to me, those kind of things. She hesitates and she's shy. As I said, every child is different, every child has a different way of looking at things. Also, what kind of interaction are the other family members making with her will make a lot of difference. Maybe some children are introvert and we have to allow them to be like that. Maybe over a period of time things may change, but don't expect an overnight change. As a parent, the other parent and relatives who are staying with her also have to make extra efforts to be with her, especially when, or discuss with her or talk to her or do other things other than expecting her to express things. So doing all kinds of other things can help her also feel that I can express with this person also, or she may start expressing initially, and that should be the tip of the iceberg that should be taken. And don't let it go, just take it from there. Maybe that child needs extra time to share with other family members. Also, it all one more thing that I want to share here is, it may also depend on the relationship of the husband wife, of the other family members, and and the mother, which may also be a reason for this child to be an introvert,
True.
as to how she has seen her mother responding to others, or respecting others, or being with others, or interacting with others. Which, if, because in some families it so happens that the lady in the house is not supposed to talk. She's supposed to have her food at the end. She's supposed to do all the cleaning of the house. She's supposed to be the last person to be considered. If this is what is happening and this child has observed it, probably she considers her mother to be, after doing everything, ultimately my mother is coming to me, so I am more comfortable. In spite of all this, she sees that mother is giving time to me, is something that she has noticed, which others have not noticed, which is something which we may need to uh, think as a family. Yes, Muskan, you were
True.
sharing.
And I just feel that, children are yet too young to form any judgments and conclusions for them. Because I've seen that over a period of time, lots of things changes, their behaviors, their thoughts, their expressions. With time, lots of things changes. Like we can just tempt them that they can't do this and they don't do this. Because this is not an age where we can do judgments. They
Uh,
change.
Muskan, one more thing I will also want to add here is that because of the busy schedule of parents, 90% of the time they are not around the child, and suddenly the day that they are around the child, they want the child to be just absolutely fine with them. Maybe that is one concern which all parents have to think about, that is it that I'm able to give that much time to my child, or am I able to give that much time that my child will be comfortable and feel equally emotionally secure with me or no? Or is it just that the day I am available, I'm wanting to want the child to be just the way he or she is with her mother? This is one concern which everybody needs to think about, that how much of quality time, I'm not saying time, you may be sitting there but you are on your phone, or you're sitting there and watching TV, that time is of no use. How much time have you given that child to fulfill his basic requirements of food, water, shelter, clothing, all? Means, in terms of, if everything is being done by the mother, of right from waking the child up to putting her off to sleep, it's bound to happen that she's going to be so close to that particular parent versus the other parent or any other family member. So it will all depend on that. Plus, child also decides, I want to share only this much. You will find that within your home also. When you ask your child, who do you like more, you like mommy or daddy, they will have a very diplomatic answer for themselves. Some children may straight away say, I like my mama. And the minute the father say, oh, you like your mama, you don't like me, the next time the child will not answer that question. But slowly he'll come and say, Mama, I like you. Huh? Not in front of the father. So these things do happen because it's all about how the child looks at the expression of the other person, or the feelings of the other person, or the emotions of the other person, that I want to share, open my mouth or do not open my mouth.
Yes.
So I think, yeah, this is the
Yeah.
next
So
question.
next question is why kids don't obey their parents and even they don't listen to them. I think lots of things you have
Have
already
been
spoken
shared. Yeah,
regarding
we
this.
have discussed this.
Yeah.
So I think it's important for the parents also to retrospect whether they listen to the children or no. One is that. Secondly, whether they listen to their parents or no. As an adult, do we listen to our parents or no? And have the children seen something like this? Third important thing is, have we put any disciplinary methods in them when the first time that they were not ready to obey? And what is it that you're expecting them to obey for? What obeying are you expecting? Is it just sitting in one place when you are wanting to do everything around them, and they should be sitting in one place, or go and study all the time? Is that what you want them to obey? So obeying is a very big word. Obeying doesn't come even when we are older enough. When we are adults, we don't obey to many things. So are we really wanting to ask our children to obey when we are not? So practice what you preach is very important, I will say here. And we
Because
will learn.
very nice, rightly said that we parents are role models for them. So
Absolutely.
more than what we speak, what gives them more impact is what we do, because they're
What they
watching us.
see, what they
Yeah.
see. Yeah,
What
yeah,
they see, whatever we are doing, that has more impact on them
very
than
much,
whatever we are talking.
very much, very much,
And what
very
we
much.
talk and what we do should match with
Match,
each other.
match. Very, very true, very true.
Yeah. So the next question is very hyperactive and aggressive most of the times, especially with grandparents. The basic reason is earlier they used to enjoy his behavior, but now they don't like it.
Yeah. So, two things again. Please check the sugar level of your children. What sugar level are you giving to the children? That's very, very important. What kind of food you are giving to the children is very important, because it's going to all play on the health of the child and the way the child is behaving. Second important thing is that when you're saying active and aggressive, active, hyperactive, again, the parents have labeled the children hyperactive and aggressive. Aggressive in what way? One, are they hitting, beating the grandparents? Are they are they slapping the grandparents? Then as a parent, you really need to be firm. You need to take a very strong actions against this, and uh, kind of give a pause to the children to do certain things or not do certain things, which means something that they like should be taken away from them if they are showing this kind of a behavior, which is a repetitive behavior. It is very important, because if you feel that grandparents are important and they need to be respected from in every way, then certain things need to be, and it has to be told, you have been, this particular privilege of yours is taken away because you have behaved like this. It is important for the child to know this. And their basic privilege will be television watching, playing on the mobiles, playing on the laptops and things like that, or maybe iPads, iPods, whatever it is, which is what is going to help them, help you to rectify their behavior. So again, also depending on how many of you in the family feel that it is not appropriate, because what I see here is they used to enjoy such behavior, but now they don't, which means it's okay with you, but it's not okay with them. The question tells me that now the grandparents are not happy about this behavior, but you are okay with this behavior and therefore you want to make a change. So, dear parents, it's very important that if the child is doing something incorrect, it is important that you need to look into that behavior and rectify it. Today he's doing it with grandparents, tomorrow when he does it with you will not appreciate it. So let's not wait for the grandparents not enjoying that behavior. It is important that you have to rectify that behavior.
Also, ma'am, I feel that one has to be very consistent with some behaviors, because अगर कोई बच्चा कभी ऐसी कोई हरकत कर रहा था, तुम एंजॉय कर रहे थे और आज सडनली आप उसको डिसलाइक कर रहे हो, तो बच्चा भी कंफ्यूज हो जाएगा और वो इससे कनेक्ट करेगा कि प्यार से, यू नो,
Huh,
दैट बिफोर दे यूज्ड टू लव मी, नाउ दे डोंट लव मी,
huh.
देयर इमीडिएट
That's
कनेक्शन इज ओनली विद लव.
that's true.
सो
That's
जो
true.
बिहेवियर गलत है तो वो हमेशा ही गलत है, और सही है तो
Yeah.
वो हमेशा ही सही है. ये नहीं है
And
कि
and,
हमें
and
लग रहा है गलत है तो गलत है, कभी सही है, तो बच्चा भी कंफ्यूज रहेगा.
Muskan, इसलिए if you recollect in my presentation, the first thing that I spoke about was about parenting styles, and I said अगर आप कोई भी discipline बना रहे हो and वो grandparent भी follow करना चाहता है, तो आपको ज़रूरी है as a family बात करनी उनसे कि भाई हम ये चीज़ इसलिए कर रहे हैं because we don't want him to behave like this tomorrow. तो ये चीज़ अगर आप बात करते हैं as a family डिस्कस करते हैं, between husband and wife डिस्कस करते हैं, तो शायद ये कंसिस्टेंसी रेगुलर रहेगी. नहीं तो ये चीजें होने की पॉसिबिलिटी है कि कल तक मुझे ये सब अच्छा लग रहा था, आज मुझे ये सब अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. It's going to happen like that because we have not thought about the later effects of the same.
Yes. So the next question is, how can I motivate my child for positive activities, games, physical activities as he watches too much TV? I think we have
I think we have
covered
discussed this
this.
point. Yeah,
Yes,
this
we have
point we have
covered this.
covered, and I've also shared a lot of positive activities that you can do it with children. Of course, you can find many more online also, which are available, and age-wise they will be available for you, so you can find out those.
So now it is like, how can I make my child emotionally strong? She's 4 years old, but she starts crying over little things. Please suggest me some tips to cope up with this.
Okay. Again, similar things here. Some children show aggression when they don't get things. Some children show emotional crying as an experience when they don't get certain things. In either ways, okay, it's important whether what the child wants or likes, if it's reasonable, if it's needed at that point in time, you let her get that and tell her, I don't want you to cry. You can ask the same thing without crying. So here you are making a pattern. You're not just giving away just because she started crying, you're giving away. You can ask this, you can get this, stop crying, show me, and say the same thing without crying. So you are kind of, modifying her behavior in that manner. Secondly, if she cries for unreasonable things, let her continue crying. It's okay if you don't give. Because some things which are not reasonable are not reasonable. And that is what is the pattern that you are showing to the parent, to the child as a discipline, that these things are important and you need to get them. And it's okay. You don't need to cry to get them. You can get them without crying also. And this is the way I want you to say it. You say it in this manner and you get it. So it's important that it is a gradual process. One is that I'm sure you must be doing that also in the process. But however, look at it again from the fact that she's crying over small things. Is it that she has made it a pattern that when I cry, I get those things? Is it a pattern that this child has made? Is another thing that you have to see. Or is it sulking that she has been, or that she's been restricted on many, many things because of which she starts crying? These are few things that you need to look into, dear parents, before. See, there's no one cup of tea that will give you a coping sip. There are multiple ways that you will have to try doing things with her. And emotional strength just doesn't come by giving a medicine or in terms of one चार गोलियां ले ली और emotional strength आ गई. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Her mind has to be strong. You have to make her mind strong that you are a strong girl, you are a bold girl. You can ask these things without crying. You don't need to cry for such things. And if it is required, you will get it. Just because you're crying, you're going to get it. वो pattern नहीं बनना चाहिए, is what I'm saying. Muskan, you wish to add something?
Because we don't want, because these children are very smart nowadays. उनको पता है कि उनके पेरेंट्स की नब्ज कहाँ पे है और वो दुखती नब्ज को दबाकर अपना हर काम करवा लेते हैं. So somewhere or the other, we also have to become quite smarter, and definitely knowing the reason is very important. And always, it is not necessary to curb their emotions. Let them express their emotions, I feel.
एक और चीज. With all parents, whether your child is aggressive, whether your child is hyperactive, whatever you have labeled them, or your child is emotional, please never say this in front of them. मेरा बच्चा बहुत रोना ही शुरू कर देता है तो मुझे देना ही पड़ता है. तो उसको समझ में आ गया है कि ये चीज जो है वो इजी है मेरे को. दिस इज द ओनली वे आई कैन गेट माई थिंग्स आउट. सो प्लीज पेरेंट्स, डोंट एवर say these things in front of the parents, in front of the children, because they exactly know ये चीज है जिसकी वजह से मुझे ये मिलेगा. I just thought of it. I should not miss out that point, so therefore I shared it.
Children are much smarter these days.
Very much, very much.
Yes. So the next question is how to tackle the kids when they demand things by watching other kids.
Okay. Good question. अगर आपको लगता है आपकी अफोर्डेबिलिटी है और वो डिमांड कर रहा है और आपको देना है तो दे दो. बट अगर आपको लगता है कि अफोर्डेबिलिटी है पर आई वांट हिम टू लर्न इट डिफिकल्ट वे, आई डोंट वांट, है मेरी अफोर्डेबिलिटी बट जस्ट बिकॉज उसके पास है इसलिए मेरे पास होना जरूरी नहीं है. कल वो आपके पास रोल्स रॉय मांगेगा और बोलेगा वो मेरे फ्रेंड के पास है तो मुझे लेके दो. आप दोगे? आपके कुछ रीजंस होंगे. वो जरूरी है आपको तय करना कि डिमांड पे आपको गिव अप करना है या बिकॉज इट इज अ रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर योर चाइल्ड एंड देयरफॉर यू विश टू गिव. So what you could do is, okay, fine, your friend has it. If he shares with you, great. If he doesn't share with you, we will not have it for some period of time. When daddy will be able to buy it, then we will buy it for you. Or when the daddy feels the need for this particular thing for you, then we will buy it. So it's important. That is what is called as authoritarian kind of a method, where you are explaining the child that yes, I can buy it right now just because your friend has it, but I'm not going to buy it for you because your friend has it. Ask him if he's wanting to share it with you. Let him share because he's your friend, no? You're saying that he's your friend and he has this. You let him share it with you. If he doesn't share it with you, you can share your toys, whatever are there with you. But if you want it because your friend has, I am not going to buy it. Anyhow, if your father feels the need that this is required for you, you will not have to ask for it. Your father will definitely go and buy things and get it for you. ये जरूरी है, because आज आपका हार्ड अर्न मनी है जो आप just in comparison डालोगे because another child has it, doesn't make sense. You are not teaching the child the respecting aspect of things that he has, that he owns. So
It
that's
is
how.
not only, I feel, ma'am, respecting for things. It is also like, कहीं ना कहीं वो पेरेंट्स को भी टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड करने लग जाते हैं.
आदत
उनको
बन
लगता है
जाती है,
चलो
आदत
ले
बन
ही देंगे ना, मुझे तो ले ही देंगे. और ये जो हैबिट होती है ना दूसरों का देख कर लेना, ये जब बड़े हो जाते हैं ना, आई हैव सीन मेनी पीपल, वो देखा देखी में ही जीते हैं, उनकी सारी जिंदगी इसी में जाती है.
सही
नो
में
सो अभी से
ईएमआई
जो
पे,
हम सीड्स डालेंगे उनमें, तो वही फल मिलने वाला है बड़े जब हो जाएंगे तब.
फिर ईएमआई पे जाती है, फिर
यस
ईएमआई देते
यस,
रहेंगे क्योंकि
करेक्ट.
उसने वो लिया मैंने वो लिया, उसने वो लिया मैंने वो लिया,
Yes.
लोन पे ही जिंदगी
So
जाती
I
है.
think it's not just about the childhood. It is like, you are grooming
Yeah.
what they are going to be when they are going to
Adult.
be adults.
Agree.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we see the next question.
Yeah. My child is losing interest from her studies. Second one is she is becoming more arrogant day by day.
Yeah. Uh, Again, losing interest will be based on, again, we have discussed this earlier also, that what is it that she's losing interest? Is it that 24/7 you are asking her to study? Or is it just a period of time? Have you given her some deadlines as to I'm going to ask you this at the end? So give her portion, small portion. Maybe you're asking her to do too much in a day. Don't ask her so much. Ask her small portions, plus give her some questions, so that at the end of it you are taking, so that it becomes easy for the child. Okay, इतना सही मेरे को करना है, बहुत नहीं करना है, that kind of a thing. And then becoming arrogant from the point of view of study होगा, तो I will only say that because she's finding कि इतना मैं सारा कैसे कर सकती हूँ, that kind of a response that child may be giving. Or arrogant from all other perspective, from कि पूरा दिन आप उसको पढ़ने के लिए बोल रहे हो, तो मैं अब पूरा दिन पढ़ती रहूंगी क्या, that can also be there. So depending on, as I said, schedule very important is, कोई भी बच्चा पूरा दिन पढ़ाई नहीं कर सकता है, कोई भी बच्चा नहीं कर सकता. ओके, अगर डिस्टिंक्शन भी लाना है तो भी नहीं कर सकता है, अगर फर्स्ट भी आना है स्कूल में तो भी नहीं कर सकता है. उसको एक पीरियड दो, टाइम टेबल बनाइए उसका, उसको फ्री टाइम रखो, उसका अपना टाइम रखो, उसका टीवी टाइम रखो, उसका ग्रूमिंग टाइम रखो, उसका बेदिंग टाइम रखो. ऑल दिस हैज टू बी देयर इन अ टाइम टेबल. एंड स्टडी टाइम रखो. मतलब जिस तरह से आप एक चीज को इम्पोर्टेंस दे रहे हो, पढ़ाई को, उसी तरह से उसके बाकी चीजों को भी इम्पोर्टेंस दीजिए. Then she will start feeling, okay, I am being cared for, I am being looked for, my things are also important. उसके फ्रेंड के साथ बात करने के लिए भी टाइम दो, because these are all important things in her life also. So because you've said she, I'm saying her, but it could be he also for that matter. And then you will see that when you're giving that kind of an importance, then it is going to be easy for her to get interested in her study, because it's only this much period. She will get interested in many multiple things. But उसको रूटीन बनाइए, आज किया कल नहीं, कल किया परसों नहीं, आज छोड़ दिया, ऐसा नहीं. It has to be a consistent pattern. Sleep time also has to be there, phone time also has to be there, TV time also has to be there in her schedule. Okay.
Wonderful suggestion, ma'am.
Thank you.
My 4-year son screams a lot without reason, gets violent, tries to hit people around him. He's very stubborn. It's difficult to make him quiet. At the same time, he loves to talk on phone and also on lots of topics. How to handle his behavior?
I think we've been talking about violent behavior, aggression, hitting, screaming, shouting for a long time. And I think the fact that it has reached to this level is because the parents have been giving up. So it wouldn't have reached, but you can still curb it now because he's only 4-year-old. So he can still be curbed. नहीं दो 2 दिन के लिए, जो चीजें उसने मांगी है नहीं दो उसको 2 दिन के लिए. होगा, चिल्लाएगा, रोएगा, ब्लैक एंड ब्लू हो जाएगा, बट कोई हार्म नहीं है. Nothing will happen to him. He will learn a hard way that parents are not going to be bending now backwards. You will have to succumb to those things, and then I will get those things. Otherwise, you can relate. तब जब 2 दिन के लिए नहीं दिया था वैसे नहीं चाहिए क्या तुमको, तो वैसा नहीं मिलेगा फिर. So then he is able to relate it. अभी उसको लिंक ही नहीं है कि मुझे कुछ नहीं मिल सकता है, मुझे सब मिल रहा है, तो I am going to be the way I am. There has to be, and as parents, dear parents, moreover the mothers will have to have a very strong heart, because mothers हैं जो give up कर देती हैं बहुत जल्दी, and they are the weak point in the child's life. आपका बच्चा है, आपको उसको अगर लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए सुधारना है तो वो 2 दिन 3 दिन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. You will have sleepless nights, it's okay, but don't show him that you have had sleepless nights. Don't tell him तेरी वजह से मैं सोई नहीं हूँ, तेरी वजह से मैं रात भर रोई हूँ. नहीं, कोई जरूरत नहीं है. You want him to improve, you want this behavior to be improved. How to handle the behavior, how to handle का ऑप्शन हम दे रहे हैं, अभी how to handle आपको करना है.
Okay, ma'am. So the last question is why kids are becoming violent? My kid has ability to grasp things easily, but everything depends upon her mood. So what I do, again, violent.
Same things
Yeah.
I would say. Only thing is, yes, kahin na kahin, you know, because we've had only 1 or 2 children, we are wanting everything to be best in them, or we want to give best to them. Probably look at our grandparents and parents, probably they had multiple children, तो एक को मिला नहीं, दूसरे को भी मिला नहीं, तीसरे को भी मिला नहीं, अपने आप उन्होंने how to meet those requirements करना शुरू कर दिया. I don't think any of our parents or grandparents had this problem of we being aggressive or violent, or you know, हमने कभी इस तरह से अपने grandparents पे हाथ नहीं उठाया या चिड़चिड़ नहीं किया, चिल्ला के बात नहीं की. That's because probably they had better parenting skills. उन्होंने ना बोला मतलब उनका ना मतलब ना ही था, ना का हाँ होना बहुत मुश्किल था, बहुत मुश्किल था. And that is what we have to learn from them as parents, कि everything is not going to be available at the doorstep just the way you want, just the way you expect that it to happen. And that's what is important. As parents, we will have to be firm to make our disciplinary techniques applicable. I think this
So,
question
yeah, there is one more question: how to handle a stubborn child?
we have already discussed
Yes,
this
we have
earlier
discussed.
also, and I think
This is the same one
yeah,
as prior.
yeah. Okay.
So basically what I feel ma'am today that it was really wonderful because इतनी सारी चीजें हर एस्पेक्ट से जो मेन कंसर्न्स होते हैं बेसिकली पेरेंट्स के, खाना सोना बिहेवियर, सुनता नहीं है ये वो सारा कुछ, तो एवरीथिंग you have done it so wonderfully that most of the queries would have been sorted out. And I really feel parents that we are so blessed that we still have children in that age where we can mold them, you know, with the techniques and skills which ma'am has shared with us, along with lots of love, care, being sensitive to them, giving them a hearing, you know, because it is, मैंने एक बहुत सुंदर चीज पढ़ी थी कि अगर हम चाहते हैं कि हम उनकी दुनिया का हिस्सा बने जब वो बड़े हो, तो उनकी दुनिया का हिस्सा हमें अभी बनना पड़ेगा. You know, if we are available for them right now when they want us, then they will be available for us when we want them. It's very important. और
Muskan, one
आज,
last thing I would want to share, because
yes
I've
ma'am,
shared a lot about, you know, being firm.
yes,
My sense of being firm or being firm is important, not being strict. उनके ऊपर चिल्लाओ मत, चीखो मत, मारो मत. That is not what I'm saying when I'm saying being firm. Being firm is giving your point of view. I will not want you to do this. I'm not going to give you this. उतना तक रखिए. But at the same time, उनके खाने पीने में, उनके सोने में, उनके बेड टाइम स्टोरीज में, उसमें कहीं भी कटौती मत करो. आपका बाकी पैटर्न वही रहेगा. जो बिहेवियर आपको चेंज करना है उसके ऊपर आप फोकस करो. लेट इट नॉट गेट अफेक्टेड ऑन द मील्स दैट यू आर गिविंग हिम, द लव दैट यू आर गिविंग him or her, and the kind of other behavior that you've been doing other than the ones that you want to change. The child has to understand this behavior of mine is not liked by my parents, but my parents love me. That is very important. That's the underlying thing which no parent should miss out on this.
यस, बिकॉज अक्सर मैम प्रॉब्लम तभी आती है या तो पेरेंट्स एक साइड होते हैं या दूसरी साइड होते हैं, तो वो जो मिडिल पाथ है, यू नो, दैट दे मिस आउट ऑन दैट.
Very true.
And yeah, so that we have got that path now, which will be a balanced path, and we will definitely make sure that after using all those tips, so wonderful suggestions,
Muskan, do
we,
let me know after your parents, because parents have shared questions with you. So maybe, you know, if there are any improvements, if there are any challenges which they have overcome or they've been able to deal with, please do share with me so that I will be able to know, you know, which tips have helped them better versus the others. Okay.
Definitely, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you
And
so
yes,
much for your valuable time and amazing information that you have shared with us.
thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye.
See you. Take care. Yeah.
Take care, ma'am.